motherfucker asking me somewhere why shit. Praying hands hats, you can catch me in some fly shit. Smoking on that good, don't ask me who I'm getting high.
Hello world. It is I, your beanie wearing guy, Mr. Buddhas. And today's episode we will be installing an ISR downpipe on my Genesis coupe. The coupe already technically has a full exhaust for the most part, besides the mid-pipe slash downpipe they call it. I just got it yesterday. It took me, should have done this about a week ago, but the guy kind of kept avoiding, or stuff kept coming up. But we are here, and we're going to install this pretty soon. Here she is, boys. Use, it doesn't matter. As long as it works, as long as it gives me power. I don't care. Before I do the install, you can see Jenny sitting out here in the sun, unfortunately. She's just kicking it. Before I do all this, I gotta get some essentials first. It's time for me to go on a ride, and I will be right back. We are back. So, the car's cooled down a little bit. I ate, had my essentials, and about ready to put on the ISR downpipe. I'm already got the jack in the back, getting ready to jack the car up. It's a very hot, sunny day in Florida right now. Jack couldn't really push it up far enough without it kind of being off balance. So I ended up putting this jack here, taking off the one I previously put in the back, and I'm going to use it to jack up the front, or stabilize the front. So, let's get it. Oh yeah, this is much easier. What is it? Alright, so this was a very fun process, usually the hardest part for me because it's a pain in the butt to do all these steps just to get the car up, somewhat up. Should have enough space, luckily I'm not a big guy, so it's not the most uncomfortable. At least I know the jack stands are there. Okay. I might redo this one actually. We'll be back. Tools ready for the job. Pretty much what we're removing here is the downpipe slash mid pipe of the car. I already have an O2 housing that's right up here. This little bong that you see. So basically I'm removing this bolt and this bolt, following the pipe all the way over here to whatever the heck happened here, plastic bag or something, I don't know. But there's one bolt here, and there's one on top. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm trying to swing around, can't really see myself, so I'm gonna end up removing those 4 bolts to remove this little thing, because you can tell there's a big difference in size here from the O2 housing to the stock mid-pipe, downpipe. And we'll show some before and after sound clips once I'm done. We shall return. And the downpipe is out of there. Look how skinny that thing is compared to the other one. Look at the differences. Video probably won't be the same, but see the difference. But I did run into the situation where, well, I don't have the gaskets, and the little gasket this one used to have is all, well, they're burnt out. So I'm gonna run to the auto parts store and get me some gasket maker, high temp, and hope for the best. Other than that, as you can tell from the old one, it was leaking on top, so it was too damn small. The back wasn't too bad. That one actually held up for the most part. But yeah, time to go get that. Fun. But I get to ride her, so it's all fun and games. It's all good. It's all worth it. See you guys soon. So let's get to the point where I made the gasket with the gasket maker for exhaust, high temp. It is currently on. It's not fully bolted on yet. It's just kind of placed on there for now until I finish bolting it on. Just wanted to show that it's on there and stuff. Probably won't be able to turn it on today, unfortunately, because I have to let the gasket at least try to do something. Hopefully it will. If not, then and I'm back. You know, end of the day, I'm actually super excited about being able to put that downpipe on. I've been waiting on that for quite a while. On the first beginning of the video, I might have not been too excited just because of the fact that I was kind of tired, it was kind of hot out, I wasn't 100% trying to raise my car up. I hate raising my car up, it's just a pain to, you know, boop boop. But yeah, overall, as far as the review goes, the downpipe is pretty good. The gasket maker already failed. I was at work just chilling during break, and I already smelled exhaust fumes. So obviously, I have to go get gaskets. I tried. Anyways, as far as the review goes for the downpipe, power-wise, it doesn't feel too much of a difference. Maybe just a little bit as far as the top end goes. It's just a little bit louder, and I noticed that possibly, unless I'm just crazy, I've seen possibly a 500 RPM spool up quicker time than usual. I want to say usually I spooled up around 3,500 RPM. That's basically because I have a BTR stage 1 tune. I know that the stock computer, I'm not sure when it used to kick in. It's been a while since I had the stock ECU back on, but it had a very surgy type of power as far as that goes. But getting off topic, downpipe was pretty much great. It fit on great. I recommend it to anybody that doesn't have emissions anyways. Just go full catalyst, full turbo back exhaust and call it a day. You'll love it, especially get a tune with it. It'll be a great car. Yeah, have a good one. Go ahead and press the subscribe, that post notification, and that like. If not, do your thing anyways. Yeah, be easy. God bless.
I'll be sliding through the city with Maserati and then packing the paper rounds to the size of a stabilizer with friends, taking a couple of shots of hand, pass out, repeat, do it all again.